Sweet potato pudding. Gonna create sweet potato pudding today. Yeah. So we'll wash it and clean it up. Peel them off. Some nice sweet potato. So them stay. That them a come from. Yeah. Come on. Get ready to get them girder. Line up a pan and stuff. Yeah. Get them greater on, you know. Yeah, so we are going. Yeah, man. Without this strength, you know. I know say enough people love sweet potato pudding. It's a very nice food, you know. You have cassava pudding. You have corn pudding, you have bread pudding. We're making potato pudding today, sweet potato. Yeah, go on. Yeah. Just watch the video and keep up with it, you know. It's going to turn out to a very nice and lovely. You know you're going to love it at the end. Leave it. Yeah, we have make a nice one today. It's very big. I'm gonna put it in a big pot. Yeah, you know, country there now. Yeah, man, St. Elizabeth. You know, say, a country I hold it promote, you know. You know, something we have to eat off one day. Just tune in, you know. Who love, subscribe. Yeah, man, like and share. Yeah. Man, that's how we do it, you know. So we do it. Yeah. We have a greater can yet. Yeah, man. A whole heap of something can make pudding, man. Yeah, man. I grew up in a country, you know. A whole heap of things we know to make pudding. They look pretty, nice, clean. Yeah, man. Yeah, I great that last one, you know. Check out from the coconut, yeah. The coconut ready to put together. Yeah, man. Chip it out that ox, you know, and big cup. Yeah, man, I'm straight from the country, you know. I live a country and I have to buy none of them things, so. St. Elizabeth crazy something. Yeah, man, great topic, man, and make some nice something. I never make tire leaf it. Yeah, man. Eat them called blue jars, you know. Yeah, man, or duku no. Yeah. Something that nice, you know. Yeah, great up coconut and something there. Even if I don't put the whole light tonight, I can put the night same, put some night same way, you know. Yeah. Oh, man, them things are nice, man, and you know, so you can do them things, you can make them things. Yeah, man, babes, you know, so yeah, you can make a bammy and them something there. A great something them there now. Yeah, man. Real Jamaican living, man. back where people them are coming from, you know. Yeah, man. So some great up some coconut there. Yeah. Just we mix with it. So we're gonna start prepare up now and mix up everything together. Just watch it mix, you know. Yeah, people. Mix up the coconut together, you know. Yeah. Mix the coconut and the potato together. Mix them up. With everything in a one. Everything all in one. Yeah, man. Some people like it when it wetty, when it's soft. Some people like it when it's more tight. Some people like when it gummy. Some people like when it top wet and the middle dry. Yeah, some people like when it wet right through, you know, and soft. Some people like it anyhow. So watch the mix, you know. Mix up everything together to the coconut and in a one, you know. So the whole like coconut night, so you have to taste the coconut when you eat it, you know. Yeah. You can juice in some coconut milk and mix it in with it if you want more strong coconut. Yeah. Yeah, girl, that's some nutmeg inside of it. Yeah, cause you know really use no measuring cup nor nothing, no? A country. Everything enough, you know? Everything all heap. Get some nutmeg. You know the amount of put in. Throw in some vanilla said speed. Yeah. When the coconut very pretty. Put in some raisin in it. You know, so everything that's add up more sugar, more sweetness, you know. So you have to know when you have to put the sugar if you want it well sweet, or you want it cool down for the sweetness. I like it when it's normal, you know. Put in some butter and it said speed. Thing I got them up together, you know. Everything. Dip some water at night, you know. It can go in more easier. Rubbing is to kill everything. Rubbing and mile. Well mile. Yes, people are put out to work in that one here, you know. I know it's gonna nice. But it's kinda hard to should have melt it out, but you know, still gonna work anyway. Yep. Some coconut milk in it, well thick coconut milk. Yep. Stir me, you know. Everything well stir in each other and mixing properly. Don't forget the salt, you know. Yep. Don't forget the salt, none at all. Sugar. Wow. Sugar name? I'm not sure. Wow. Sure night. I think about that when we throw when I use it, you know. What we are use now. don't know. Yeah, something we're making a lab, I'm not sure. Yeah, man, well, throw some sugar in it and mix it up, yeah. Sweet potato pudding. Best of the best, you know. No want it too soft, you know, like when it have body, you know, and it kind of stiff. I don't want no whole heap of sugar on the top unless I make that sugar there by myself. Yeah. Line up the fireside, the coal go on bun set speed. Yeah, hela top, hela bottom. Hallelujah in the middle door. You hear that song there? They are country, you know. Only per song they are country, them thing. Put it in a big pot there. And put it on and one, put on the fire on the top. Put on the help on the top and the help on the bottom. And glory in the middle. And when you taste it, you have to say glory. Glory, glory, glory. Glory, glory, glory. Glory, glory. Sweet potato pudding. Yeah, man. Like you pot them pot, they can bake it like a oven. Thick pot, thick iron pot. Yeah, man. And you go and eat some time, make it well baking. But you're not burn, you're not afraid to say, alright, they're going to burn up. Unless you leave a blazing fire underneath it, an extra amount of coal under the bottom. Watch if you start love it already and you not eat it yet. Yes, people, sweet potato the pan already. Eat couple time and go check it back. Yeah. Normal fire underneath the bottom. They just go and simmer, you know. No rush. Why rush? Never know, say when you rush food, it not taste right. Just take time. Anything you do, I could even fry egg. Just do it for normal low fire and deal with the thing. Well, cooking thing is a different thing, you know. You know. Yeah, look how it look. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Take a look at it. Yeah, you know you have to keep checking on it so something are going inside you don't know. Right now you look at it to know exactly if you want more fire or if you have to take off the fire or you know. Then come more fire upon it, make it soak through. Cause me tell you say it thick, you know. Yeah man, yeah body, look at it. Look at it, people. Feel right and dry and nice. My style, my way, not too soft and saggy. Yeah, people, look at it. Nice, you cut it hot, you know. Yeah, man. When you're done.